few more questions.
Anybody else?
Yes, please.
Are you working on native apps or web apps only? There are two kinds of apps in iPhone and Android, native apps and web apps.
Come again?
There are two kinds of applications like web app or a native apps. So which kind of app you are working
Native app.
Native apps. What is that?
There are two kinds of applications in iPhone and Android. One is web app, which is completely a website which
No.
is as a
Web-based applications are totally different. As I just said, we work on Android applications built only for Android platform or the iPhone platform, completely different from the web-based modules. Web-based modules are generic. They work for mobile devices like iPhones, iPads, and Android tablets, and Android phones, and for PCs as well. So that works on everywhere. That's a generic platform, but we work on, in addition to the web-based platform, we work on dedicated Android applications and iPhone applications as well.
Yeah, please.
Future projects. I mean, this company is actually working on a project Android and phones, but actually the new technology also are coming in the.
Well, we are yet to think about that because we already have our plans for up to 2017. So
Okay.
after that, we'll think of.
Today you will be conducting the hiring on for Android only or any platform?
We'll be hiring for all the platforms that I just spoke about: Android applications, iPhone applications, web-based applications, and system administrators and DBAs.
And can you brief up with the job profile we are going to get? I mean, whatever designation you are offering or job profile.
Certainly, we are looking for the junior programmers and assistant administrators right now.
On behalf of RCRT, I would like to thank our Chief Guest Sir, Director Sir and HOD Sir for motivating and encouraging the students. Now I would like to pass the mic to my beautiful colleague Vijaya Lakshmi. She will proceed further. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Respected Director Sir, HOD of Computer Science Department and respected Chief Guest and my dear all colleagues. A very good afternoon to all of you. I'd like to shed a light on VK Software Company. VK Software is a web desktop and mobile application development company which is registered in India. It was founded in the year 2003 by a group of software engineers which is situated in the beautiful pink city Jaipur, India, with a vision to bridge the gap between quality and prices for the customers all over the globe. VK Software has a team of diversified technical professionals with experience and in-depth knowledge of the tools and technology, including business consulting, design and development and integration services. VK Software has a group of dedicated professionals categorized in the following domains. The first consists of web design and development that includes HTML, CSS, XML, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax, Flash, Perl, PHP, .NET and Java. The second is database design and development that includes Oracle, DBZ, MySQL and MS SQL. And the third is mobile application development that includes iOS, Android and Windows Mobile. I would like to wish all the very best for the placement drive. May the success be yours. Nice meeting you. I would like to pass my mic to my beautiful colleague Zeba ma'am. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Vijaya. Now I would like to say all the students to participate actively in placement drive. All the students have to assemble in lab 3 at first floor for the interview session. So have a fruitful time and may the catch you smile. Thank you so much.
Annual नहीं करना है और
रिज्यूमे आपका
language
What is the basic difference between jQuery and JS, JavaScript?
So jQuery is a perfect command which is available on Java jQuery website. They are designed for the such kind of menus and blocks and application I developed in iOS EM. It's the web app.
You're using which? HTML and JavaScript.
HTML, JavaScript, AJAX.
Any database you have used?
We don't use it.
Then what you say basically just we have worked over the designing part.
Yes.
You have mentioned Android. You have worked over that.
So actually we had a training over here. So
Okay.
that is why I mentioned.
So any
Actually my interested fields are web development, database, gaming and animation.
so gaming goes with Java?
No.
Yeah, .NET, yeah, mobile
Action
apps.
script. Action script.
Action script.
So actually
What is basically action script?
action script is basically used in Flash.
Okay, apart from that.
It's object oriented language. Actually I have an interest sir.
Sir,
different type of methods, right?
sir, in inheritance, C++, we have 5 types of. There's single level, multi-level, multiple, and hybrid, hierarchical. So in
From which method we can inherit the property from base class? From which method?
sir, extend words
Okay, extend.
in Java.
There is something keywords like public, private.
Yes, sir, public,
What are
private.
those?
Sir, with the help of public, we do.
When you inherit the properties by declaring public, private, or protected,
Yes, sir.
so there should be some difference, right?
Yes, sir.
Is it obvious?
Sir, public,
What is multiple inheritance?
Sir, public inheritance,
जिसमें four concepts है सर interface object class inheritance polymorphism
इसके अलावा
the thread
what is a thread?
so for example technical so हमें बहुत सारे large amount से बहुत बड़ा प्रोग्राम होता है तो उस प्रोग्राम में सर हमें कुछ चीज़ों की सर हमें रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है तो उस तो मतलब पूरे प्रोग्राम एक छोटी सी मतलब चीज़ की हमें कोडिंग से ओनली लॉजिकल प्रोग्राम्स की हमें थोड़ी सी रिक्वायरमेंट्स है थ्रेड जैसे मतलब यूजुअल नेम इज धागा तो जैसे व्हील है तो सर उस व्हील के अंदर से जैसे अगर हमें कहीं बटन लगाना है कुछ भी धागे की जरूरत है तो व्हील में से छोटा सा धागा ले लें तो उसको यूज़ कर लें अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स को कंप्लीट करने के लिए पार्टीशन
बाकी भी तो अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए ही है. What is a thread in terms of programming? Be it Java or .NET, whatever. Thread सब जगह एक ही होती है.
जैसे थ्रेड के थ्रू ही सर जितनी जावा
लेकिन
प्रोग्राम से रन
thread की जरूरत
My hobby is playing guitar.
What are your favorite subject? पूरी मीटिंग में कौन सा सब्जेक्ट अच्छा लगा?
Why it is Java? I mean, the faculty was good or what?
Sir, actually,
C language.
coding was
Coding person. So prior to Java, did you learn anything coding?
And in
So,
Java,
prior to Java, in Java.
little bit
no, sir,
thread.
C.
C or Java? Why? You didn't like C++?
Why do we have Java when we have features? Projects extend as well. Now it's easy है.
Means Java,
क्या difference है C++
C में limited work. लेकिन Java में जो कि हम Java में कर सकते हैं और C में नहीं कर सकते.
Java में काफी फीचर्स हमको एक्स्ट्रा प्रोवाइड और C++ में हम ओवरराइडिंग कर सकते हैं और तो काफी ऐसी फीचर्स हैं और काफी
It is abstract. AWT stand for
what is polymorphism?
polymorphism.
Abstract Windows
using
tool.
same
And
thing for different purposes.
It basically used to interface with the user. It is a package.
और
we use it in Java.
Yeah. So it's like polymorphism.
Swings.
Yes, sir.
What is the basic difference in AWT and swings?
It is swing is light component
Okay.
and AWT is
I can take a normal live
hard
example.
component.
It's like
favorite
suppose we
programming language?
So
it's like
C,
a bird can
C++,
fly, whatever we read in books.
Java.
So every bird
You have
can fly.
mentioned
And flying comes with the
two tools basically. NetBeans, Dreamweaver, Eclipse, these three.
Yes, sir.
Can you little bit explain me what type of work you have worked on these or what you why you
Yes, sir. When I was doing my training on the Android, so just I use the tool Eclipse, and when I use PHP for NetBeans, when I working with
So
Java.
it's like knowing things but I'm not able to tell
So you currently work
exactly.
taking training working
सर कंसोल डॉट राइट लाइन है, ये एक फॉर्म ही है, बट ये डिफरेंट टाइप के आउटपुट हमें देता है। जैसे जब भी हम कंसोल पे प्रोग्राम को रन करवाते हैं, मैनीफॉर्म को टाइप करता है देता है।
ठीक है। ओवरराइडिंग और ओवरलोडिंग में क्या फर्क है?
सर ओवरराइडिंग है और ओवरलोडिंग, ये दोनों पॉलीमॉर्फिज्म के जब भी हम कंसेप्ट पढ़ते हैं तो इसमें ऑपरेटर ओवरलोडिंग का कंसेप्ट आता है। ऑपरेटर ओवरलोडिंग होती है, उसमें क्या होता है, एक मेथड होता है, एक ऑपरेटर है जैसे प्लस ऑपरेटर। सेम ऑपरेटर डिफरेंट जैसे दो तरीके से यूज होता है। एक तो एडिशन के लिए, जैसे हम कोई दो इंटीजर नंबर को ऐड कर रहे हैं तो वो हो गया, और एक ही दो स्ट्रिंग को वहीं ऐड करें तो वो एक ही ऑपरेटर के थ्रू परफॉर्म हो रहा है।
अच्छा, और ओवरराइडिंग क्या होती है?
सर ओवरराइडिंग में ये कंसेप्ट क्लियर नहीं है।
डेटाबेसेस पढ़ी?
बेसिक
कौन सी पढ़ी?